How to make a restaurant website on Wix. Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how can we do these on this platform, which is called Wix.com. So if you are new to this website, you need to create an account, go to Wix.com and here click on Get Started. You can do this with your Gmail, you can create separate account, nothing hard. And if you want to create the website for your restaurant, we can even try to make it for free without any payments. But if you want to enable some additional features, probably you'll need to upgrade your plan to some paid plans. So after you'll create an account, you'll come to this page where you can see a lot of different buttons, a lot of websites I already have. But you just simply need to click on create new site in the right top corner right up here on this blue button, and then we'll come to the next page. We have two options here. So if you know exactly what do you want to see, you can create it with AI, but I personally prefer to set up it without chat. So let's click on this button and I'll show you the way of how to do it by yourself. So what type of website do you want to create? According to these answer, Wix will offer us different features, apps we can enable. So here we can add like restaurant website. So we have a restaurant, so let's click, or you can choose like restaurant coming soon, restaurant blog, but let it be like restaurant. Continue. And after that, we'll create our dashboard here. And what does it mean? It means it's like back end of your website. As you can see, we have some problems here. Let's try to re-upload our page. Sometimes it happens, nothing hard. We can just simply try to re-upload and probably it will help us to fix this problem. So yeah, we can see that we have some logs. I don't think that it will still be here. So let's wait. So yeah, we have this option here and now we are ready to interact with it. And as you can see, we need to set up our name. Let it be like REST website, REST VS. Continue. We have a couple of pre-built apps which are available here: restaurant menus, food orders, and table reservation. I think it's really good sometimes. And now we can also select some discover more apps, but I personally don't want to use them. So you can discover it. We can find small description here. We can find the like name. So let's click on continue. And now we can go to our dashboard. From dashboard here, we just simply need to manage some other things like connecting domain, creating our website design, and basically it may take a little time according to the server's capacity and so on. So all we need to do is just simply wait for a little. Let's wait. As you can see, it works really hard sometimes. So we'll come to our dashboard. And here, as you can see, we can connect a custom domain. It means that you can make your address personalized. So we can click on let's go to check, is it possible to name like this? And as you can see, it's available. So we can click on make it yours. And we have the options here. So we can buy a domain only, or we can get a domain for free with a premium plan. I personally recommend you to get it with a premium plan because in this case, you'll also get some additional features. Next up, we need to do is we can create our menu. So we can click on add item. And after that, as you can see in the left side menu, we will move to catalog and restaurant menus new. And basically we can click on add a new menu, menu name, menu description. So let it be like breakfast menu, good food. Let's click on save. So after that, as you can see, we were opened in breakfast menu, and here we can add a section. After that, we can add different dishes, and this is a way of how can we create our menu inside of our backend. I think it's not a problem as for you. And in this case, you'll need to add some photos, some description, some information, and then you'll be ready to continue with the next step. Let's click on setup back, and here we have the option to set up online ordering. So people can order it if they need, and sometimes it could be really helpful if you have, for example, take and go system or something like this. So let's click on setup ordering to see how that look like. So we will move to settings and then to restaurant ordering settings. And as you can see, in order to get this feature to take orders, upgrade your site and set up payment methods. So we need to set up our payment methods. And as you can see, we can find working hours here, order scheduling, fulfillment methods, preparing time, menus, and so on. We can click on this icon with a pen where we can manage all the things. For example, for order scheduling, we have this like as soon as possible only, prepared only, and so on. A lot of things you can try to manage from this page here, like fulfillment methods, preparing time, and so on. So on the setup page, you can also find the next thing, setup table reservation. So we can click on get started, and here we have table reservation, and we can see that table reservation are off. And if we want to enable it, we need to upgrade our plan, the same thing. So we have a table management here, online reservation, reservation form, prepayment, notifications. And if we are going to discover the paid plans, we can see that here we have a couple of options like light, core, business, and business elite. So if you want to get options to interact with restaurant features, you need to use at least core or business. I personally recommend it to use business stuff, of course, because it will help you to get all the features you need. And the next step here is set up payment method. So if you're going to click on it, we'll move to settings and accept payments. And according to your business location, you can here create different payment methods. So for Germany, for example, we have option to accept cards, credit or debit cards, PayPal, or manual payments. And if you're from America, for example, or from France, probably you'll have the option to accept Stripe or something like this. In order to connect, you can just simply click on connect and then do all the things described. Also, if you want to add payment methods, you will need to upgrade your plan. So once more, you definitely need to use it. So let's go back to setup page. And now we just simply need to design your website. We can click on design site. And here we can click on pick a template. So after that, we'll come to our editor, to our template feature, template area, where you can select the necessary template and then just simply customize it. If you want to see option of how to customize, I personally recommend you to see my other tutorials about that, because in this video, it's like we have a time limit. We only have 10 minutes to show. So I'll show you the way of how to choose. So we can click on edit. And after that, we'll be moved to editor right up here, where we can manage something general. We can manage colors, or we can manage fonts, or we can manage pages, we can manage sections, or we can manage elements. So you can see all the options here in the left side menu with site design, pages and menu, where we can delete, add, and add some other things. Also with the sections here, where you can find welcome, about, gallery, team, contact, promotion, business info, services, subscribe, and so on. As you can see, it's really easy to understand, really easy to interact with. So if you want to get more in-depth tutorials, you can find them on my channel. Or if you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. That's all for this video, how to create restaurant website. Hope this video helped you out, so leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.